Public Alliance Azerbaijan Without Political Prisoners presented their first report about the current situation regarding the prison conditions and the right of prisoners. Given information about the report, coordinator Ogtay Gulaliyev said it is time to ring the alarm bell over the poor prison conditions. The report is based on the information provided by former political prisoners and prisoners of conscience. The reports by the international organizations have been reviewed. The lawyers and family members of the jailed individuals were interviewed, said Gulaliyev. Talking about the problems faced during the preparation of the report, Gulaliyev said they weren't allowed to conduct monitoring in the prisons. Even though they sent an inquiry about the statistical information to the Penitentiary Service of the Ministry of Justice, they didn't get a response. Because of this, we filed a case against the chief of the Penitentiary Service Madat Guliyev. This case will be heard at the Baku Administrative Economic Court on July the 4th, the coordinator noted. Poor prison conditions and low levels of medical, social, and other services were noted in the report. Gulaliyev added that cases of corruption and discrimination against the prisoners are observed in prisons. The worst thing is that the prisoners who have AIDS, tuberculosis, and other infectious diseases are kept together with healthy people. The food there is also a source of illness. The coordinator also expressed his concern over increasing torture in the prisons and revealed the names of 10 individuals responsible for torturing the prisoners as a form of public censure. They are Arshad Hasanov, former chief of the jail number 4, Rauf Majidov, chief of Tartar District Police Department, Seyfettin Guliyev, chief of the on-duty police unit of the Sabirabad District Police Department, Said Saidov, employee of the Department for Fighting Against Organized Crimes, Azar Saidov, head of the Baku Investigative Prison, Shahin Osmanov, chief of the Gobustan Prison, Avtandil Agayev, head of the prison number 12, and Shakir Bayramov, head of the Ganja prison. Gulaliyev also put forward facts of corruption that take place in prisons. The social service facilities, shops and stores operating in the areas of prisons pay money to the prison management. For example, the owner of a public bath or cafeteria pays 900 minutes, the phone booth owner 2000 minutes, or the chief of the food storage even more, he said. Another member of the alliance, Ershan Hasanov, said that they are going to continue monitoring of the prisons. A report will soon be introduced regarding the situation in Gobustan prison. Sakina Gurbanova, mother of the prisoner of conscience Zaur Gurbanli, expressed her serious concern over poor health condition of her son. She said Zaur and other youth activists have been detained for their struggle for free speech and democracy, calling their arrests illegal. According to the mother, what the authorities want is to keep her thalassemia patient's son in prison and let him die there. After that, the discussions focused on the current situation regarding the illegal detention of social activists and strengthening their protection. The next steps were determined. Our correspondent was told by the Public Relations Center of the Penitentiary Service that the revelations made by the said alliance have no basis.